Making sure all your passengers are not too hot or too cold, but just right, can be problematic. But your Enyaq iV's 3-zone air conditioning could be the solution. To set it up, press the climate button on the centre console. From there, you can adjust your smart AC settings from cooling your feet to freshening the air. Or choose classic AC and set the temperature for the front using the touch slider or plus and minus icons. For the back, tap rear and adjust the temperature either on your screen or directly from the back. To lock the rear controls, tap the rear icon. Simply tap it again to unlock. You can also do this from the back seats with the red and blue buttons. Finally, if you want to purify the air in your car, tap Air Care. To turn off your AC, you guessed it, simply press the AC off button. And if you're stationary, keep everyone happy by adjusting the temperature in different areas of the car. Problem solved? That's another Škoda skill to take away with you.